Howdy team. Today we've been asked to take our coffee shop data and create a pie graph for all the money units. So I'm going to go into Insert, and in Insert tab I come over here to the Charts panel, and Excel will recommend charts for us and give us a little preview of various charts. I like to go personally in and see all charts. And it's asking me to go ahead and select the cells of data I want to use first, and that's fine. So we know we want column D, then we hold our control button. So I'm holding the control button on my keyboard, and I'm clicking F and H column. Those are the ones with our data. So now we're going to go into that charts panel. Now that we've highlighted our data, we're going to click over here on the left and bring up charts. Excel will recommend charts for you, but I want to go into all charts and come down to pie chart. So there's my pie chart selection, and I click OK. This has given us a pie chart, and then I'm going to right click my pie chart because we were asked to move it to the chart tab, the graphs tab right here. So I want to come down and say move chart. Then I'm going to say new sheet, open. Nope, I don't want new sheet. Open object in. So here's my three tabs: sales, employees, and graphs. I want to move it down to the graphs and say OK. Once I do that, Excel has made the graph. It's moved it over here on our graphs chart. I'm going to kind of make it yellow so you can see where it is. And everything in here is clickable. You can come over here to plus and add chart titles, data labels, and so much more. So guys, get to work and show me what you got.